In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect profiles in Sprout Social. Connecting your social profiles is the first step to publishing, monitoring, and reporting from one place. So let's make this quick and clear. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions in Sprout Social and that you have admin or owner access to the profiles you want to connect. Some networks, like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, require specific page or business permissions. Also, allow pop-ups in your browser, since the connection process may open a new window. Start by heading to Settings, then select Connect a Profile. This is where all new connections begin. If you don't see this option, your role may not include profile management, so you may need an administrator to grant access. Next, choose the group where the profile will be added. Groups in Sprout are like containers that determine who on your team can access certain profiles and what they can do with them. Pick the group that aligns with the team or brand managing this profile to keep your workspace organized and permissions clean. Now, find the social network you want to connect: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others, and click Connect. This tells Sprout which platform you're authorizing. If you plan to connect multiple profiles, you can always repeat this process later. Click Go to the selected network to start the authorization. A secure login window opens from that network. Sign in to the correct account and review the permissions Sprout is requesting. These permissions enable features like scheduling, inbox access, and analytics. Approve the request to continue. If you manage multiple pages or profiles on that network, you may be asked to choose the specific one you want to connect. Be sure to select the exact page or profile you intend to use. If you run into any issues here, try temporarily disabling pop-up blockers or using a private browsing window to avoid pulling in the wrong account. Once you've approved access, return to Sprout and confirm to complete the connection. You should see a success message, and the profile will appear in the selected group's profile list. From there, you can start publishing, assign incoming messages, and include the profile in your reports. If anything looks off, double-check that you're logged into the correct social account and that you've granted all required permissions on the network side. That's it. Your profile is now connected. Repeat the process for any other networks you need, and you'll be ready to manage your social presence efficiently from Sprout Social.